And welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, share. This winning products channel where we show you new winning products for each month. Show you the winning products name, the reviews, the number of orders, among others. In today's video, we're going to look at winning product called Tangular Personalized Customized Name Necklace Stainless Steel Pendant Dunk Pawn Necklace necklace, palm print bone, pet, charm house, pet jewelry. This is a winning product because it serves the dog niche. People are very passionate about their pets, big dog, cats, so they would love to buy an engraved necklace and wear it on their neck um, with the name of their pets, be it a dog or cat. It has a wow factor, it's sold online, and it has high passive value. So the reason why it's a winning product because it serves the dog niche. It serves the interest that is dog interest that is people in pet niche. Those that love their dogs, especially those located in USA and UK and Canada. So that this serves the dog niche. It currently has a 5.0 star reviews on AliExpress with 8 reviews and 17 orders. The cost per AliExpress is 3.18 USD. The name of the store is Tangular Store, but I won't prefer you go with this list on AliExpress. We'll look into that later. And it comes to different length: 35 centimeter, 45 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 55 centimeter, and 60 centimeter, with different metal color, steel color, gold color, rose gold color. Um, the free shipping from China to United States via Keanu Super Economy Global Center deliveries on May 31st. This is the reason why I expect you should not go, or reason why I suggest recommend you don't go with this nice because of the shipping times. As the time I record this video, this is 1st April 2022. So if you decide to ship this May 31, shipping time is too slow. Irrespective of the fact that it's high perceived value and the customers have to engrave the name of their dog on the necklace. The shipping time is quite slow. May 31st. You can go with other shipping options. We can go with other suppliers rather than the listing on AliExpress. However, let's check on this. However, let's check if we can see other shipping method on AliExpress. You can see the free, as you can see, shipping method, free shipping from China to United States via Kano Super Economic Global. It's not delivered on May 31st. It's too slow. 31 days before the customer is going to receive the product. They may get angry because they know they accept because the estimated delivery time is 7 to 14 days. If you are going to ship to the United States, the UK. And they also added the cost, but the delivery time is also May 31. I won't suggest so, and it is not recommended you go for this shipping method because it's also not tracked. Any shipping method you decide to go for a shipping method that is tracked. If you look at other options, it reduces to April 23. Tracking is available. This one is quite okay, and 23 days, but we're going to use other suppliers to make sure our customers receive their product on time. Now, this is the supplier on this one called CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is an independent supplier. They have different warehouses: US warehouse, Thailand warehouse, China warehouse, Germany warehouse. They have warehouse located in different countries. It's an independent supplier compared to AliExpress, whereby you have different listing on a particular website. But this is an independent supplier, CJ Dropshipping. It is listed on their site as stainless steel discs, lettering dog pawn, and pattern jewelry pendant, and it's sold at the rate of 1.85 USD with different color variation and size. And the shipping fee is 1.87 USD. The service fee is 0.26 USD. Total judgment price is 3.98 USD, adding both the cost of the product and the shipping total shipping cost. It arrives at 3.98 USD. Processing time is 1.3 days. The weight is 80.00 grams, and the SKU uh, is CJLX1448714 with other attributes. Now, if you look at this section of CJ shipping, you see that shipping from China warehouse, which is the main option for this product. The inventory is currently 30,000. Say dropshipping can integrate with Shopify, Woocommerce, and WeStore. Um, Ship to United States. The shipping method is in dual shipping, as you can see, and if you look at dual shipping is 7 to 20 days compared to the other shipping time that is 23 days. So if you decide to sell this product on Shopify, WooCommerce, or WeStore, I suggest you use CJ Dropshipping. The total shipping cost on CJ Dropshipping website is 2.13 USD. Delivery time is 7 to 20 days. So your customers located at USA and possibly UK will get their products on time. Okay. And also the tracking information is available. So I suggest you go for suppliers that have tracking details attached to it in case of future challenges. And let's look at competing Facebook page and website selling this product currently as at 2022. That is as at um, April 2022. This is a Facebook page of the competitors or similar source selling this product. It's called Custom Pearl Jewelry. You can decide to name yours, that is, name your Facebook page Custom Pearl for my dog. Um, my dog Custom Pearl as a Facebook page with a good image background and a good logo. Going further, let's see if they are currently running ads to sell their custom and pearl jewelry for their dropship to sell the custom pearl jewelry products. But let's look at page transparency, see all, and let's scroll down. So this page is currently running ads, as you can see. It's currently running ads. And let's look at their website. Now this is the website. This is their website. It's called custom.podjewelry.com. When the customer decides to engrave his name, when the customer decides to engrave the name of the dog on the product to be sent to the supplier, and that is CJ Dropshipping, and they are going to produce the product and ship it directly to the customer without you touching the product. Now, these are different variations of the custom point jewelry. As you can see, this is a necklace, and this engraved this is engraved pearl and jewelry, the name of their dog. This is the name of the dog, Rosie. Going further, now it's sold on the selling price is close to 50. You can see selling price 44.07 USD, 43.18 USD variation. Now let's look at the other marketing strategy, or the marketing structure we're going to adopt to sell this particular custom pot jewelry. And are going to do our trading results. The marketing strategy for the custom pot jewelry will be we're going to use USA and UK Instagram dog influencers. This is because the product is user friendly to Instagram users in the dog niche. We're going to also use USA and UK TikTok dog influencers because the product is user friendly to TikTok users in the dog niche. We're going to use Facebook ads to also run such products. We decide to sell the products. You can decide to use YouTube search ads to decide to sell the products, and you can also decide to use YouTube and video ads. Going further, Instagram influencers engagement rate. That if you are going to choose, if you decide to use Instagram influencers, the engagement rate you have to look out for. One, Instagram influencer has low engagement rates when it is less than 1%. So don't go for Instagram influencers with a low engagement rate of 1%. If not, you'll be wasting your budget on influencer marketing. Also, Instagram influencer has average or good engagement rate when it is between 1% and 3%. Okay, this is good. You can go for Instagram influencer in the dog niche, whose account has 3% engagement rate. It has high engagement rate when it is between 3.5% to 6%. This is the best engagement rate you can go for if you decide that this is the best engagement rate you can go for if you decide to use Instagram influencer in the dog niche. Also, above 6% is considerably very high engagement rates. But the challenge with this is that the dog influencers is going to charge you more if you decide to go, depending on the number of followers, because they can have 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers in dog niche, and the engagement rate is 6%. So if you negotiate properly, um, the dog influencer is going to charge you less. Now, the proposed trading result for dog porn pattern jewelry pendants. One, the cost price uh, on CJ dropshipping is 1.85 USD. The total shipping cost is 2.13. That is 7 to 20 days. And the proposed gross profit is 39.01, and the selling price is 42.99. Now you can decide to sell for 2.99 on your Shopify, Woocommerce, or Restore, and you're going to sell. You're seen as a high perceived value. So people in the dog niche, because they're passionate about their product, they'll be willing to pay that amount of money for their dog by engraving the name of their dog on the necklace.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all, so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.